What's up everybody, this is Mike and I'm outside. It's extremely cold right now. It's about -10 degrees Celsius, which is about 14 degrees Fahrenheit. But anyway, I'm here to test how the Mavic Air will perform in this extreme cold temperatures. So I'm looking forward to see, and I'm freezing my ass. So let's just go and see how it will perform. So after flying the Mavic Air for a while, I can say two things. First, I'm really freezing, and second, I'm impressed with how well the Mavic Air performed in the cold. Of course, the flight time was a bit more limited, but that's to be expected from this freezing weather, so not really an issue here. I still haven't checked out the footage, how it looks. I was shooting in d-cinelike D, so I'm looking forward to seeing how well it will be on my computer screen. I will of course color grade it just a bit to make it pop, but so far I'm impressed with the Mavic Air, how stable it was, and basically how well it performed. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick little video of me trying the Mavic Air in the cold. Like I said, it's around -10 degrees currently, so 14 degrees Fahrenheit. It's I'm not used to that cold weather, but anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed this little video. Please like it and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one, and I'll catch you in my next one. Ciao!